Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we finally get the full spoilers for the Ipsy GlamBag Plus bags. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no videos or spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. You know, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the full June spoilers for Ipsy's standard bag. Well, thank you so much, Jenny Meadows. Jenny says, good afternoon, Mandy. Another spoiler. Yes. Jenny, you got another first, honey. I'm so excited for you, girl. You are so quick on that bell. I'm telling you what, if me and you were racing to something, I know who would win. And Jenny, I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video and always having your bell set for me and just always in the comments being nice and always watching. You watch every one of my videos and I couldn't be more grateful for you, girl. Thank you so much, Jenny. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either search bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, first of all, let's look at this bag. And again, this is for the June Ipsy Plus bag. And these are the full spoilers. Now, y'all know my opinion on that bag. You know, I said what I meant and I meant what I said. You know, they could have done better. They need to hire me down there at the Ipsy. And for those of you that are new, that haven't been with me a while, y'all will notice that I just start throwing these spoilers up here because there's always too many of them for me to name off. So I just throw them up here for y'all to see them. And most of the time, everybody already knows what they have by now. So if you would comment below, what did you get in your bag? Did you get any of the add-ons? You know, I like to know everything. I'm not just half nosy. I'm full nosy. And so are my subscribers. We love to see what everybody gets. And let me know what items that you missed out on. Which ones did you want to get that you didn't get? And of course, guys, I'll link Ultimate and Standard bags below. You know, if I can remember to do that once I get them out. But of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know, I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Ambitious Doll. Ambitious Doll, I'm so sorry that you didn't like your bag. You know, sometimes that happens with Ipsy. It's kind of hit and miss. I've got a few bags before that, you know, I didn't like a damn thing in none of them. You know what I mean? But I really do hope that you start getting bags that you like. I really do. And I really appreciate you coming by and watching my video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any of them. Yep. They do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.